Hello, Namaste, and welcome to this little corner of comfort, जहां हम प्यार, expectations और थोड़ी सी reality check की बात करते हैं। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं वैलेंटाइंस डे के उस वर्जन के बारे में जो एड्स में दिखता है और उस वर्जन के बारे में जो एक्चुअली जिंदगी में होता है। वैलेंटाइंस डे वो एक दिन जहां इंस्टाग्राम सडनली रेड हो जाता है। Roses, candles, couple selfies with captions like "My forever" posted after knowing each other for exactly 3 weeks. And sometimes people who've been married to each other for really long but are in a loveless marriage. Instagram पे वैलेंटाइंस डे ऐसे लगता है जैसे सब लोग सीक्रेटली रिलेशनशिप ओलंपिक्स में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हों। गोल्ड मेडल उन लोगों के लिए जो सरप्राइज प्रपोजल प्लान कर रहे हैं। Silver for a candlelight dinner. Bronze perhaps for a perfect location with Instagrammable pics and an Instagrammable location, destination. और हम यानी कि people like you and me comment section में लिख रहे हैं so happy for you, aw, so cute, heart, heart, heart. And if you're single, congratulations, because officially you're an active audience. But Aaj, let's talk about the myth of the perfect Valentine. Because honestly, perfect Valentine doesn't exist. Perfect moments, definitely. But perfect people, nah. And let me share this sweet little story with you. There was this couple, let's call them Akshay and Naina. Not Instagram famous, no matching outfits, no surprise Paris trip. Their Valentine's plan? Honestly, they hadn't planned one. Zero planning. Akshay thought Naina was working late and Naina thought Akshay had a guy's night out. And both assumed Valentine's Day is overrated but fine. At 9 p.m., Naina finally leaves office. She's exhausted, hungry, and slightly annoyed. She checks her phone and she had received one message from Akshay. Ghar aa rahi ho? No hearts, no emojis, just a question. She sighs. Typical. Valentine's Day bhi normal hi hoga. She reaches home and the lights are off. Now pause. Let's see what happens next. Because honestly, she didn't have a clue. She switches on the light. Kitchen table, 2 plates, one slightly burnt pasta, एक गुलाब जो clearly roadside से लिया गया है. And Akshay standing there, nervous and holding his phone. He says, "Hey, sorry, reservations नहीं मिला यार, और पास्ता थोड़ा ज़्यादा पक गया." But happy Valentine's Day. Naina looks at the pasta, looks at the rose, looks at Akshay, and she laughs. Not the cute rom-com laugh, the real one. And they finally relaxed laughing. They eat the pasta, they complain about work, they fight about who forgot to buy dessert, and so they finally split one dairy milk. And at the end of the night, Naina actually said, "You know what? This was actually perfect." But here's the thing. It wasn't perfect because of the setup. It was perfect because it was real. It was perfect because Akshay had made an effort. It was perfect because Naina enjoyed it. They both enjoyed that evening together. See the myth of perfect Valentine? What does it tell us? It tells us that love has to be grand and filmy and surprise-filled. Aesthetic enough for social media, but real love is messy. कभी लेट हो जाता है, कभी expectations मिस हो जाती हैं, कभी पास्ता जल जाता है यार. But real love is someone knowing you're tired and still trying, like Akshay did with Naina. Real love is laughing with someone, not posting for someone. And honestly, a perfect Valentine का pressure ही सबसे unromantic चीज़ है. Because when you choose perfect, you stop noticing present. You miss the inside jokes, the comfort, the silence that doesn't feel awkward. Whether you're single, committed, confused, or emotionally attached to your phone, Valentine's Day isn't a test you need to pass. It's just a reminder that love doesn't need to look a certain way to be valid. Sometimes love is a handwritten note. Sometimes it's just, did you reach home safe? Sometimes it's sharing fries and pretending you're not counting who ate more. So if your Valentine's Day looks nothing like Instagram, congratulations, because you're probably doing it right. And if you're alone this Valentine's, be kind to yourself. Self-love is not a consolation prize, it's the foundation. Because the real myth is not a perfect Valentine. The real myth is thinking love has to be perfect to be real. Wishing each one of you a very happy Valentine's Day. And may your love be warm, a little messy, and very, very human. So much love to each one of you. And we'll speak to you again next week. Bye for now.